Cal.
Ratchet. Hey, it sounded good. Hey, I don't see nothing wrong with it all. Hey, Ratchet around Northern Cal, 445 Radio Man. Have a good day.
How about that radio check out there? You got Ratchet. Northern Cal.
Ratchet out there around Northern Cal, 445, say, where'd you go?
Hey, 445, old Mother Nature got roped there for a minute. Hey, 445, I don't know what happened there, but Mother Nature must shut the door on us. You got Ratchet, I'm getting right back.
Alright, Ratchet, yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. It's getting kind of crazy out there. Hey, they're going to turn this band loose. Hey, Ratchet around Northern Cal, 445, say, we'll holler at you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Hey, I appreciate it, 445. I do appreciate it, 445. Mother Nature's been swinging all over the place for me today. I don't know. Mother Nature's been all over the place all day. But hey, 445, anytime I can key down with you, I always will. Good talking to you. 445, you got Ratchet 18 and right back, Northern Cal on this ground plane.
Hey, Ratchet, yeah, she's an old cheating woman. That old Mother Nature, she's an old cheating woman, man. She'll be talking to you and then leave you at 1 minute, 10 4.
Hey, 445, that Lakeside came in on that one. That Lakeside came in on that one. It's rough and tough on both of you. Hey, 445, that Lakeside came in and it was both nothing but a bunch of mobile. Hey, 445, let's try it again.
Alright, hey, Ratchet around Northern Cal, 445, we're gonna let Lakeside have it, we're gonna back up. Hey, Ratchet around Northern Cal, 445, backing it up.
445, we'll catch you later, maybe, catch you on the band in the morning. Hey, 445, you got Ratchet, Northern Cal, saying you're always sounding good here on the west side. Bye.
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 Who was that?
That'd be the gold digger.
Wow, man. Yeah, I just had to turn around and look as if I had a gate going, because, man, you are rocking and rolling right now, 449.
Hey, well, it sounds like Mother Nature's finally being nice to me today there, Radio Man. Hey, again, have a super fine one, man, and if you hear that other gold digger out there, tell him he needs to correct himself there, Radio Man. Take care. Your friend out here in the West, 449er Gold Digger, Central Cal. Have a good one there, Radio Man.
I'll sure tell him, Gold Digger. What did I say? He was around Nevada, I think, didn't I say that?
I don't know where he is.
I think he said he was around Nevada, Piffle.
Oh, well. Again, you have a good one, man.
Yeah. I hope he's planning for some gold.